All right. Good morning, first grade.
Morning.
So today we will be learning about weather. Can anyone tell me what do you know about weather?
The weather is sunny.
Okay. So today's weather is sunny, yes. Okay. And what else do you know about weather?
When it rains, I need an umbrella.
Okay. Okay. What do you want to know about weather? Like, what do you want to learn?
There's a white thing that falls from the sky when it's cold outside, but I don't know what it is.
Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to play some sounds and I want you to listen very carefully. Don't speak. Just listen very carefully. And you're going to tell me at the end, what do you hear and what do you recognize from these sounds? Okay, so can anyone tell me what sound have they heard in a video that they have heard before? In the past, like something that you've experienced before? Yes.
I heard rain
Okay.
and a loud bang.
Okay, so we'll find out what that loud bang is in a minute, okay? Okay, so now we will listen to another sound. Can anyone tell me what that sound is?
I think it's the air, the wind.
Yes, it's the wind. Okay, so now can I get your attention towards the board as I explain the different types of weather? Okay, so the types of weather. Sunny. So do you know what sunny means when it's sunny outside? What is it like?
It's very hot when it's sunny outside.
Because the sun is shining, and on days like that, it's good to do what when it's sunny?
It's good to go outside and play.
Yes, with your friends. Okay. When it's rainy, that means it's raining and you would need an umbrella, so that's probably not a good time to be outside playing on your bicycle with your friend. So, what do you do? What would be a good thing to do when it's raining?
Stay inside and drink something warm.
Yes. Okay. So I remember that you mentioned that you want to learn about the white thing that falls from the sky, because you didn't know what it was. So we call that snow. So when it's snowing, that's when the white things are falling onto the floor.
Oh, that's what I used to build a snowman.
Yes, very good job. Yes. And when it's stormy, that's when we see lightning. And that's when you should avoid being outside when it's lightning. Okay, and you identified that you heard the sound of wind. You identified that you heard the sound of wind in the video, and that's basically just like when you hear noises like swooshing around and yeah. Okay, so now I will hand out a worksheet in which I want you to identify the different types of weather and what you would wear for that type of weather. Okay. You will have 5 minutes. Okay, you have 1 more minute. Okay, is everyone done?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just collect it from you. Okay, so we will go over it because I want to make sure that you actually understood the vocabulary terms for today. So, what would you wear when it's snowing outside?
A scarf.
Okay, and when it is raining, what does that mean and what do you need to have and wear?
You need to have an umbrella so you don't catch a cold.
Yes. And when it's sunny, what does that mean? Like, what's the weather like outside, and what can you do?
You have to put on sunscreen and wear glasses because the sun is bright.
Yes. And when it's sunny, that means it's hot outside, so you can eat popsicles, you can ride the bike with your friends, you can go to the beach, you can go in the pool. Yes, and when there's a thunderstorm, like I told you, with all of the lightning and all of that, that is when you should avoid being outside because we don't want anything to happen. So now, I will have you take out a sheet of paper to wrap up our exit ticket, and I want you to write about, actually I'll write it on the board, the words that I want you to write about. So you will write down the vocab word first, and then you will say what would you need to wear on that day that fits the weather, and one fun thing that you could do in that weather. So we will use the word sunny, then we will have rain, then we have snowy, and then we'll have lightning. So you first write down the 4 words: sunny, rain, snowy, and lightning. and then you'll say how you would dress for that particular weather type, and then what you would do on that day. Like, would you ride a bicycle? Would you stay inside? Would you build a snowman? Yeah. So you have 5 minutes. Okay, is everyone done? Okay. I'll just come and collect it. Okay, and just to wrap up and recap, so today we went over the weather type of sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, stormy. So good job, first grade. I'm very proud of you.